Hi, I'm Uncle Lee. A long time ago, in a galaxy not too far away, I had built myself a brand new system from almost the ground up. I reused a couple pieces. I got a lot of new pieces, put them all together, made a system. It works. I have enjoyed it, and I said that I would help you learn how to build your own PC. That's what I'm here for right now. So let's get started. What is the first question you need to ask yourself in building a brand new PC? That question is, can I handle it? Because when you buy a store-bought, pre-bought, or pre-built machine, you've got a good chance of getting customer service and technical support for everything the system has, that it runs, and the software that you will eventually put on it. You, building it on your own, have to do almost all support for yourself. That means looking up things on the internet. That means having sometimes multiple components to test and make sure and troubleshoot if things don't work right. You have to be willing to follow instructions from knowledge bases, tech support sites, maybe customer support sites for some of the software you run. You're going to have to listen, pay attention, follow instructions all the time, anytime you need help. And for some people, that's just too much. And it's understandable. Computers can be confusing, they can be irritating, there's a lot of things to go wrong. Most of it's software, some of it hardware. If hardware goes wonky, you're going to know it almost immediately because, well, things aren't going to be working right. But when it comes right down to it, can you handle it? If you can, or you're willing to try, because everybody's got to start somewhere, then comes the next question. What am I going to use this for? Because when it comes to computer usage, there's a lot of uses. A lot. Do you need it portable? College, work, whatever. Mobile. Well, if the phone's not big enough, you need a laptop. Are you looking to do gaming? Well, a lot of options on that one. A lot of different ways to go. All depends on one of our next questions. Are you going to do productivity work? Are you just doing office work? Are you doing CAD design? Are you doing video audio editing? All of these different avenues are necessary to know in advance before the next question comes up, because the next one's pretty much on par. You already had an idea before you got started, but the next question is, how much do I have to spend? See, money talks, bullshit walks. If you ain't got the cash to play, you got to figure out what you can and need versus splurging on one thing and hoping it makes everything all right. It doesn't work that way. Computers are a multi-piece operation, and bottlenecks and other components that are not up to the task, no. You got to have a balanced system. Unless you got money coming down the road, no. You need to have a balanced system, or at least something attuned to what you are looking to use the computer for. So you need to know if you can handle it, what you're going to use it for, and how much cash you got. Okay, those three questions, those three things. Those are the things you need to be asking yourself before you start plunking down cash. Money wasted is money wasted. Don't waste money buying things you don't need. It's not necessary. It's a waste. Don't do it. So you've got those three things to think about. What you need to do is you need to either on a sheet of paper, word processor, whatever, dictate it. I don't care. Just do the following. Answer the first question. What is the first question? Can I handle it? How's my tech skills? Am I going to be able to do my own support, and am I willing to try? Second question. What am I using it for? Because depending on what I'm using it for will make the components of the system some more necessary than others. And the number 3 question you need to ask, how much money do I have for this? You can spend thousands of dollars, or you can spend hundreds of dollars. Don't overextend yourself unless you're going to make that much money that fast. Return on investment if you're going that route. But when it comes right down to it, those 3 questions, answer those. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.